Welcome back to our Excel spreadsheets. Now we're going to look at a slightly different spreadsheet which is going to compare a carpeted office to a hard floor office. What we're looking at the moment is nearly identical to the previous spreadsheet where we've got a carpeted office. We've got a particular range of cleaning tasks in green and the carpet cleaning tasks are highlighted in blue. Below this we've got exactly the same type of office, but it's got a hard floor. And our hard floor cleaning tasks, again, are highlighted in blue. Before we get going and have a look at the spreadsheet and the impact of time and productivity, we're going to quickly review what we spoke about with some of our cleaning tasks and productivity factors. So if I come back here, where we were talking previously about productivity factors, I'd like to point out, firstly, we'll look down the bottom at the vacuuming tasks. The minimum cleaning we can do on a carpeted floor is spot vacuum every day. The time to spot vacuum we got in here is approximately 2.7 minutes per 100 square metres. When we come up to a hard floor, the minimum cleaning requirement is going to be to firstly dust mop and secondly as a minimum spot mop the floor. So we've got 5.5 minutes 100 square metres and 2.1 minutes. So that's roughly 7.5 minutes 100 square metres compared to a carpet of, let's say, 2.5. So it takes 3 times as long roughly to clean to a minimum standard a hard floor compared to a carpet. So after reviewing that, let's go and have a look at our spreadsheet again. So on our hard floor office, we've got a specification of we're going to dust mop every day, we're going to spot mop 4 days a week, and we're going to damp mop and clean the entire floor once a week. Now that's not an unreasonable specification if it's a low traffic office to get away with something like that. So let's go back up and have a look at our vacuuming tasks. We're going to spot vacuum 4 days a week, we're going to traffic vacuum 48 times a year, and we're going to full vacuum once a quarter. Our percentage of time involved there is going to be 28, 10 and 2.4. So it's a little over 40% of the time to clean this office to this specification. A little over 40% of the time is cleaning the carpeted floor. When we come down and look at the hard floor, we've got a minimum time of 32% to dust mop, 10% to spot mop, and let's say pretty close to 18% to damp mop. Now that's a total of 60% of our time cleaning the hard floor. 60% compared to 42%. Now we shouldn't be too focused on those percentages because it's a percentage of the total time and the specification for each one is different based on the type of floor. What we should be looking at is the productivity factor. So the productivity factor for cleaning a hard floor office is 391, let's say 400 square metres an hour. The productivity for cleaning the same office with a carpeted floor is 880. So it takes basically twice as long to clean the hard floor, a hard floor office compared to a carpeted office. Twice as long. And there's no way around that. Just to prove it to you, we'll have a look at our specifications. The frequency for empty and remove rubbish, we've got 20, 60, 52, 104, 104. Down here we got 260, 52, 104 and 104. And all the ones down the bottom are similar tasks with the same frequencies. So it takes twice as long to clean a hard floor office compared to a carpeted office. That ends this part of the video. Thank you.